Good day guys, being here. Today we are going to model this shape. The reason why I want to talk about this is because I think it's quite hard to model this one because it's not a perfect ellipse or a circle. It's more like an egg shape. So which I believe it's quite hard to model it perfectly. So let's try to do this. Okay, so and also fun fact, I was born in Shanghai and not far from this place. Okay, so let's start. First, let's create a conceptual mass and go to floor plan. So we're going to just draw a reference point through, spline through points. Okay, so I'm going to just roughly place some points there. Okay, so okay, it's not far. Let's just move this. So this is roughly an egg shape, right? Okay, so and also I think you can see these dashed line. So you can try to, if you move your cursor onto this reference line, you will see those dashed line. You can try to match those reference line, match these dashed lines. So I think it will make it a more, tangent. Yep. Okay, so this is nice egg. Let's go to 3D view. So I'm going to place a point on this reference line and then reference. So I'm going to draw a profile. Okay, so let's have a look at these images. So maybe this one, yeah. So you will see this shape, go up, go out, back, and probably there will be a little horizontal flat plane on the top. So let's do it. So I'm going to start from set world plane first, pick the world plane of this point, and I'm going to start from here, go out a little bit, go out, go back, and horizontal. And then I'm going to draw another one. So from this straight up, trim TR. So now this will be the profile. So now I'm going to select this one and together with profile or the path, but I don't think we can create a form. The reason is we can't have this reference line, close the reference line for this form. So what we need to do is we need to go to zoom into here. We need to separate these 2 points. So just zoom in, and so what I'm going to do is I'll just move these 2 points very close to each other, and yeah, and then we can select this reference line together with this profile, create a form, and this time we can create this, but it's not perfect. There is a gap here, so there's not much we can do to fix it. So this is it. Next step is, so because we only have one profile, so this is it's a sweep. Okay, so if we want to change the profile at some place, for example here, so you can do this. So add a profile. So you can just add a profile here and then select this. So you can select one edge of this profile, edit a profile. So now you can change the shape. You can scale it, RE. So for example, make it bigger. Or let me Control Z. You can also change the shape of this one as well. So for example, you can do this. Okay, so and then finish it. Okay, so And also, if you want to, so for example, if because we have a profile here, but we don't have a profile here, so this and then it's quite a funny shape we have. So maybe another way to do it is so instead of add profile, you can do this. Okay, let's just dissolve this one. So now we have this profile here. We also have a one extra profile, which is good, I think. We can just turn this model line into to reference line, and also we have these two profile on these 2 points, which I think is good. So let's just change them, make them reference line, and we need another one here. So I want to have another one same as this one. So I'm going to CC and select this point, pick new host. I'll place it roughly here. So now if we select this profile here, so this one, control select, control select, control select, control select, and also control select this path, we can create a form. So this time I think it's better. Okay, so let's okay, so maybe let me try. I want to. So currently this edge is it's slow. Maybe let me just change this one. I want it to be straight. Okay. The reason is, so if we want to fill, so actually now the next step, I want to create a solid here. But because this reference line, so let me just HH this form, HH this form. So now we can see this reference line. Because it's not closed, so we can't create a solid form. So let's just, for now, let's just select these 2 points and create a spline through points. Oh, doesn't work. Okay, so probably, let's have a look. Oh, because there are 4 points there. Okay, let me try. Maybe, can I move this point? Yes. Okay, so this is a point on, it's a point on the reference line. I can't move it. I'm not sure why, but maybe let me just HH this point so I can select these 2 points. So make sure there are 2 points here, so we can create a spline through between these 2 points and make it reference line. Now we have this reference line together with this one, so form a closed sketch. So we can select it and create form. So this time we will have a solid. Okay, so hang on, where's the option? Let me choose either face or solid. Yeah, that's fine. Now let me type HR. Okay, so maybe I just need to align, pick this face and this. Good. Let me just HH this one. HH this one. HH this one. I want to move this back. Okay, so I want to move this point back to that point. Okay, now it should be all good. HR. Okay, so let's try to join them. Good. Okay. Looks like there's a little glitch. Looks okay if we select the. Anyway, let's just ignore that. Okay, so next, maybe let's make it a little bit higher. So let's do this. So we can just change. We can just adjust all the profile. So I'm going to type IC. So this will isolate all the profile, all the reference lines, and then I'm going to click on this, and then select the top part of this. So then the MV, move them up a little bit. So I think this should be okay. So let's type HR. Yeah, I think that's better. And what's happening here? Oh. Okay, so maybe we can just select the middle part, move it up, and let's try AL, align. Good. Okay, so what's next? Let's have a look. Oh, actually, let's just have a look at this one. So it looks like there's quite nice panels there. Some pattern, so let's do it. So we can, let's try this, tab, select this face. Okay, so tab, yeah, this, hang on, let me just try to see if we can pick that face. So it looks like we have some issue here. Tab. Okay. Maybe we can't do it this way. So there's a little issue here. So maybe let's try unjoin geometry. Okay, so that's better. So the only issue we have is this line, but maybe that's a nice detail there. Yeah, let's pretend that's this line. Yeah, that's actually okay. So now let's go back. So this time we can tab select this face, and we can use debody surface. Okay, so now we just need to add a number. So I'm not sure which one. Let's try this one. Yes. So we probably need more. So if I go here, so we will see this, maybe 80. Okay, so we probably need more, but yeah, I try to keep the number smaller so my computer can handle this. So there's a setting here, so you can actually rotate this a little bit. So because if you look at this one, so you will see it's a little bit curved. So what we can do is we can just type in a number there. Try, yeah, maybe the other directions like this. So it will look fancier, right? Okay, so the next step is we need to create some panels. So this is currently is no panel, so you can, if you change it to a rectangle, so that will be a rectangle shape. But if you look at this, so you will see the little line there, so which means these are actually like triangular shape. So in a rectangular grid, so we can do it quite easily. So create a family. So pattern based. Just use this triangular. What's this one? Tile panel grid. Rectangular. Sorry, rectangle grid. And then we just need to select. So maybe pick these 2 points. Create a spline. Make a reference line. Then you can select these two. Control select this one. Create a form. We just need a face. Okay, so again, this one, tab, control select, create a form, face. So now we can load this into the here, and then, where am I? Let's go to 3D view. So select this face divided surface. Okay, and then go here, pick this one. And then we just need to wait for a few seconds. and oops, yeah, and that's it. So you will see it create quite nice pattern, right? So you can go to a graphic display option. So if you uncheck this show edge, so you can see little detail in this view, right? Okay, so that's okay. So that's this. That's it. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, so go to side plan. I think these should be quite easy. So basically just create a form and extrusion, same, create a shape, closed shape, and do some extrusion. So, and even you can, if I'll just quickly show you, one. Okay, so you can so for example, this one, this face, you can set, first you can set work plan onto this face, and then you can place a reference line. So you can use spline through points, or you can, because we have this work plan, so you can also use a spline as well. So for example, you can just do spline, create a shape, and another shape. Oh, this is ugly. No, I don't like it. Maybe use arc. Okay, so arc. So for example, this one, and then you can offset 1 meter, maybe 3 meter, for example, 3 meter, and then just close them. Close. Oops. Okay, so now select this, make a reference line, and then you can create a form, create a solid, and then of course you can adjust the height, and then you can adjust so you can unlock this one, edit profile. So for example, you can offset, offset, uncheck the copy 1 meter. So and then finish it. So you can create something like this. Okay, like this. And also you can do void. So for example, let me go to so basically for void you need to it's very similar to revolve. You just need to create some reference line. So I'm going to do reference line, and I'm going to draw this reference line onto this work plan. So set work plan, pick this, okay, and then we can just do it on, or just you can click on here, and then roughly. So you don't need to draw it there. You can draw it up here. So and move it down. So for example, I want to cut down here a little bit, maybe a flat. So maybe this. Oops. Maybe something like this, and maybe a flat here, and just need to close it. So it will be something like this. And we need another, because when you do revolve, you always need an axis line there. So now I'll just check. So select this, select everything here, and this will create this revolve shape, right? And then of course you can change this to void. And now if you go back here, if you move this, you only need to move this reference line down, and it will go down. And you just maybe I'll just move this away. Go there. Now you go there. Oh, won't allow me to do it because we need to move instead of move the form, we need to move the reference line. So let me try this. Okay, so I'll go to top, MV. I'll see if I can move this. And also the top reference line. Control Z. Let's do it again. Tab, tab, tab. Maybe do it. Maybe let's just delete it. That's the easiest. Okay, so see this void. Now it's cutting. It's not cutting, but we can do this. So cut, solid, void. So this will cut a hole there. And then if you look at this, so that glazing couldn't. Anyway, you can use tab, see, try to select this face. Okay, so once you select, you can use divider surface. And currently there's no family loaded, but it's very easy to create a new one. So let me just select divider surface and this one as well. So now what you can do is, so you can very easily go create a pattern-based family again. So this time you just need to create some frame. So for example, you can just place a point there, create a rectangle, draw on work plan, set work plan, pick this one, create a little frame, and then select this profile path, and also this profile, create a form. So this is the frame, and then of course glazing. The easiest way is HH this one, and just create a face for this one. Just type in glass and HR, and this is it. So load this back, and you can select these two divider surface and change it to which one? This one. Let's go to 3D view, and then that's it. And of course you can change maybe change this to 5. No, not this one, sorry. This one. Yeah, it's better. So yes, I think that's it basically. So the shape, yeah, I think that's it. So all the editables quite easy, just exactly the same how you model this. So instead of have this shape, so let me just do it. So copy this one there. All right, so instead of have this shape, you just need to select this one, or maybe hang on, let me just delete this one. Just need to go up, and once you have a half circle, trim, delete this. I'll just copy this one up, so you have an axis line. Select them, create a form, and then you create. Oh, hang on. Control Z. It's not half circle. I need to extend this one. So, where is it? Maybe to this. Maybe to this. I'll delete this one. Select this. Type 180, and I think that should be it. Yeah. And I'll just move this down. Constraint this down, trim, another one, CC, up, and create a form. So that's a ball, and then you can just place the ball onto this, maybe. Move. When you move, just remember if you model them as using reference line, you need to move the reference line. Okay, and that's it. If you want to change the size, change the reference line, i.e. Let me try to delete this one. See, because this is part of this geometry. So I'll just move it down, something like that. And that's it for today. Of course, it's compared to this one, it's very ugly. But just to show you some method, some ideas, some how to model all these geometries, all these shapes. Okay, so and if you have a better method to create a perfect egg shape geometry, please let me know. Okay, so because this one's not perfect, there's a gap here. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.